Good morning everyone. Muli tayo nagbabalik para sa ating mga laban. This is the battle between De La Salle Zobel versus the Claret School QC. Both teams. Ayan, tayo magsisimula na po sa ating first game. Ánimo La Salle. Let's go. first ball and the first basket mula sa Claret School. Castro, floater, wala, rebound ng Claret. No good. And there's a foul. Wala rito na ang ating De La Salle Zobel. Knocks down 3, short, rebound ng Claret. Pass to number 0. Number 0 to number 11. Number 11 and out of bounds. Last touch, bola ng ating De La Salle Zobel. Number 11 setting on the screen. Castro to number 12 for 3. Yes, sir. Miami. Change favor. Another steal. And out of bounds. Ami to number 11. Hand off. Castro. Pass to Ami. Ami with a strong drive. Too strong, but there is a foul. Shooting the line. Jersey number 12. That is Ami. Second shot, no good. There we go, number 14, steal. Castro, all the way, yes sir. By Castro. Uy, lifting violation, what a start. Go defense para sa La Salle Zobel. Number 11, hand off to number 12. Pass to Castro. Kick out to Ani. There's a poaching foul. Ami. Floater, too strong. Nakuha na ang Claret. Out of bounds. Wala rito ng Claret School. Number 0. Number 12. Pass to Ami. To Castro. Number 12. Back to Castro. To Ami. Stop and pump. Yes, sir. Ami. Maganda ang pinapakita dito ni Ami. Oh, out of bounds. Kailangan sunod-sunod ang kamadang shooting form ng De La Salle dito. Oopsie. Ayun na, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Time out. Claret School. Official score 7-2 in favor pa rin sa ating De La Salle Zobel. Time remaining 4 minutes and 41 seconds. Good luck. Okay, back to the ball game. 7-2 ang ating talaan. Bola rito ng ating De La Salle Zobel. Number 15, Castro. Knocks it down, 3. Yes, sir. Ayan na. Si Ami. Oh, matagal-tagal din nagpahinga. Uy, nakabawi ang Claret doon. 10-4. Number 11, pass to Ami. Number 2, wala. Oh, that's a traveling violation according sa ating official. Shoutout po kila Loki Cruz. Ayan, si Idol. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat na nanonood sa ating live. This is a battle for third sa ating Pile League 2025. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling third place sa labanang ito? Between Claret School versus our very own De La Salle Zobel. Let's go! Number 14. Ay na, nagagawan. And that's a foul. And 3 seconds tayo. Let's go. Last 3 minutes. Claret School basketball. Number 6 to number 11. Still. Oh, what a save by Castro. Nakakuha ni number 11. Naka-recover. Ayan na si Ami. Ami! Oy! Walang tawag. Good. Castro. Wala. Rebound. A good sportsmanship there para kay Ami. Bola ng Claret. Time remaining 2 minutes and 11 seconds. number 0. Steal by Castro. Here comes Castro. Castro! There's a foul. Shooting on the line. Here's number 15, Castro. First shot para kay Castro. Oh, good. Shoutout kay JP Castro. Magandang umaga po. Happy viewing sa inyong lahat. Second shot para kay Castro. Basket. 11-4. Time remaining 1 minute and 47 seconds. Bola rito ng Claret. Oh, pushing foul by number 3. Here we go, number 14. Oh, steal! What a strip there by Castro. Number 55, pass to Castro. To number 98, kick out. Jump shot, short. Rebound by number 14. Pass to number 0. Oh, gets a foul. Bola rito ng Claret. Ayan na, number 8. Wala. Rebound. Offensive rebound by number 98. Here come Castro. Nagmamadali. Attacking the basket. Nakalusot and score. Ay, kudak. Yan nyo ah. Number 0. Oy! Out of bounds. Bola rito ng ating Lasal. Zobel. Pass number 22. Guys, sa corner. Jump shot. Short. Rebound by number 11. Another steal. Castro, no good. Libre do si number 3. Wala. Rebound. Last 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Tira. Castro for 3. Oh! Sayang. Manti ka na. And that's the end of our first quarter. Fisher scores 13-4. In favor of our De La Salle Isabela. Okay, second quarter tayo. Let's go. Ayan, shoutout muna tayo sa ating 17 viewers. Ayan, shoutout kay Sir Rubio, Loki Cruz, Enzo Yao, and kay JP, Sir JP Castro as well. Gandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Especially to all the parents na nanonood sa ating live at dito sa venue. Ayan, from the De La Salle Isabela. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, mga ma'am and sir. Okay, second quarter tayo. Let's go. Bola rito ng De La Salle. Steal. Ayan na. Number 98. Basket. Ayan na. Uy. Ini guys, sa corner. Sa mga na-miss ko rin yan, si number 98, Santos. Let's go! Ayan na. Number 55. Uy, block. What a save. Naka-recover. Pass to number 2. Tumira, wala. Against Rubiang by number 2. Kick out. Castro from the corner. No good. Number 55. And that's a traveling. Wala rito ng Claret. Number 14. Number 11. Steal by Castro. Castro all the way. Basket is good. Timeout. Claret School. Official score 17-4 in favor of our De La Salle Zobel. To the ball game. Bola rito ng Claret School. Oopsie, out of bounds. Isa na yung oras po, 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Castro, pass to Santos, number 55, pass number 2, attacking the basket, no good, rebound by number 2, spin, oy, block there, nakukuha ng Claret, steal by number 24, steal again ng Claret, number 47, all the way, basket is good. Castro. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Pass to, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2, and score. Here comes number 11. Whoa! What a layup, and there's a foul by jersey number 11. Shooting on the line for a 3-point play. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Last touch. Wala ng Lasal. De La Salle Zobel. Oopsie. Go. Good hustle there. Oy! Parehas ayaw magpatalo. Lazaro and go. Same ball tayo. Bola ng mga naka-white shirt. De La Salle Zobel basketball. Number 55. Pass number 2. Side step. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Number 22. Block ng Claret. Ay na. Tumatakbo si Lazaro. Lazaro. Oh. Shooting on the line, jersey number 0, Lazaro. First shot para kay Lazaro. Basket is good. Second shot, basket. 19-11. Bola rito ng ating De La Salle Zobel. There we go. Go. Ayun na ang double team. Pass number 24. What a pass! Number 2. And there's a foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 2. First shot is good. Second shot, oopsie. Sobya, wait lang po. Dito mama ng ring. Bola rito mapupunta sa Claret. Time remaining 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Oh, bad pass. Seal by number 22. Oopsie, traveling violation. Number 11 and score. Ayun na ang double team. There's a foul. Number 22, what an extra move, wala. Rebound bang Claret. Number 0, Lazaro, and there's a foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Bola ng Claret. Number 11, pass number 0. Number 0 for 3. Yes, sir. Ayan na. Humahabol ang Claret. Ayan na ang double team. Steal by Lazaro. Pass number 11. Too strong. Rebound number 6 with a putback. Oh. Humahabol na nga ang Claret. Timeout dito ang ating De La Salle Zobel. Yan natin ang huddle. Coach of our team. Time remaining 3 minutes and 7 seconds. 2017. Tatlo na naman po ang hinahabol ng Claret. Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Wala natin. Ayan na, pinasok ng ating first unit. Ami. Oy! Castro! Basket is good. Hindi mapayag dito ang De La Salle Zobel na makahabol ang Claret. Oh, another steal by Castro. Pass to number 12. Number 24 using the board. Basket is good. Castro din natin, number 24. Ayan na, walang tawag. Ating referee Lazaro. What extra pass. Finding open man pero wala. Rebound. Mapupunta sa Claret. Catch and shoot. No good. Rebound ng Claret. Lazaro. Tumira pa rin. Wala. Rebound ng Claret. Number 14. Pass to Lazaro. And score. 24-19. Balik sa limang kalamangan ng ating team. Castro, pass to Ami, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound by Ami. Ami to Castro. Castro with a strong drive. Nakalusot si Castro. 26-19. Lamang pa rin ang ating team. Ayan na, nagagawan. Pass to number 6. Number 6 to number 11. Number 11. And there's a foul. Time remaining, last 50 seconds. Shooting on the line of jersey number 11 para sa Claret. First shot is good. Second shot para kay number 11. 2 for 2. Mabasab 5 ang ating kalabangan. 26-21. Time remaining, last 50 seconds para sa ating first half. Bola dito ng ating De La Salle Zobel. Santos, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound by number 6. Ayan na, nagagawan. Nabitawan. What a hassle. Makuha ni Santos. Uy. Oh, correction. That's number 22. Good hustle play from both teams. Especially kay jersey number 22. Power De La Salle Zobel. Bola ng Claret. Remaining time, last 23 seconds. Out of bounds. Time out. Back to the ball game. Last 19 seconds. foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 98, Santos. Shot para kay Santos. Number 14, pass number 6. Pinasa corner, tumira, and basket yan. Malapit doon. Okay. And that's the end. May isa pa na po, may foul. Wala na po tayong oras. Bonus shot para kay jersey number 7 for a 3-point play. Oh, no good. Okay, end of the first half. Official score 27-23 in favor pa rin sa ating De La Salle Zobel. Okay, third quarter tayo. Maya-maya lamang sa ating pagbabalik. Back to the ball game. Third quarter. Let's go. Bola rito ng Claret. Tawag ang ating referee, last touch, bola ng ating De La Salle Zobel. Uy, another foul para sa Claret. Here comes Castro. Pass number 19, no good. Number 22 and score. 29-23. Ayun na. Number 11. Number 0. There's a foul. Foul. That's a traveling violation. Whoopsie, lifting violation. Bola na Claret. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Here we go. Lazaro, umatake, and kumuha ng foul. Basket count, nasa foul para kay Lazaro. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. No good. Hey, bro. There we go, ang San Claret. Oh, steal! Number 11. Pass to Castro. Castro, no good. Ayun na, nagagawan. Out of bounds. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 11, floater, wala. Rebound by Castro. Pass number 55. Oh, no good. Number 2. Wala pa rin. And score by jersey number 2. Ayun na. Full court defense. Another steal para sa Lasal. Sabel, steal by number 11. Lazaro, pass number 47, pass number 8. There's a foul, number 2. How is it? Time remaining 5 minutes and 25 seconds. No good. Upper shot is no good. Second shot, wala. Rebound ng Lasal. Para pass to Castro. And may kasama pang foul by Castro. Number 15. Ay, sorry, winning. 33 to 25. One shot para kay Castro for a 3-point play. Time remaining 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Wala. Fake running shot, no good. Rebound by number 0. Uy. Out of bounds, last touch. Wala lang Claret. Yes, the 3, short. Rebound ng Claret. Number 6 to number 0, Lazaro. Pass side. And score. 27-33. Number 11, pass number 55, pass number 11, top of the key for 3, no good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6, finding open man, makuha si number 8. Ayun na, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ay ng De La Salle Zubel. Number 55. Oopsie, that's a traveling. Number 0. Uy. Shot, basket. Number 55, Tuami, pass to Castro from elbow 3. Yes, sir. By Castro. There we go. And Claret, pinasa sa corner. Catch and shoot, wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Number 0, 4-3, wala. Rebound. Yes, a foul. One minute and 8 seconds. Wala ng De La Salle Zubel. Castro again from the corner. Another 3. Back-to-back 3-point para kay Castro. Ayan, shout out po kay Sir Lavin Castro. Bamawi ang Claret doon. Ay na, baba sa 8 ang kalabangan ng De La Salle Zubel. Here comes Nizal. Pass number 2. Post spin. Walang tawag. Rebound by number 8. Pass number 14. Steal by Castro. Castro to number 2. Number 2. And there's a foul. And a shooting on the line. And jersey number 2. Caos.
Third quarter na ba ito?
First shot para kay Caos. Wala. Second shot, no good. Last 15 seconds, bola ng Claret. Catch and shoot, no good. Ibang ng Claret. Pinasa. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 39-31. Okay, let's go to the fourth and final quarter. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling third place sa labang ito? Ay! Thank you. Ay, ako. Thank you, sir. Kita ka. Sabi tayo gusto ko. Ako nanalo. Kaya, yun o. Shout out po to all the parents from De La Salle Zubel. Good luck. Animo La Salle. Okay. Fourth quarter, let's go. Ayan o. Talagang ready ang ating PM. Shoutout po kala Sir Erwin Tan, Sir Billy Castro, and Nathan Norista. Fourth quarter, let's go! That's number 14 from the corner, 3. No good. Rebound. Number 0. Pinilit ni Lazaro, wala pa rin. Rebound. And out of bounds. Last touch, bola ng Claret School. From the corner, and one. By jersey number 11. For a Claret School. Ami, bounce pass, number 2. Ganda ng bounce pass doon ni Ami. Caos, shooting on the line. on the free throw area. First shot para kay Caus. In and out. Second shot para kay Caus. Wala. Go, steal, Ami, 3 against 2, 3 against 1, Castro, no call, rebound by number 14, steal, Caus, and that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng De La Salle Zubel. Time out. Natin ang huddle ng ating team. Time remaining 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Ball game. Castro for 3, no good. Rebound, steal by Castro. Castro. Backdoor pass to number 2. Well, for 3 by Ami. Oh, what a save by Castro. Number 0, Lazaro, outlet pass to number 11, easy 2 points. Ayan na. Mabasa 5 ang ating kalamangan. Castro, may tangan ng bola. Castro, number 2, gets the putback. Balik ulit. Sa 7 ang ating kalamangan, steal. Ami, back to Castro, to Ami, to Castro, from the corner 3. No good, rebound, Caus, and 1. Basket count and plus a foul by Caus. What a play para sa De La Salle Zubel. Bonus shot for a 3-point play para kay Caus. Jersey number 2. No good. Rebound. Ayan na. Number 11. Ooh, good defense by Ami. Walang tawag ate referee. Steal. Ooh. Time remaining 6 minutes and 16 seconds. Oh, what a pick! Steal by Lazaro. Lazaro. That's a foul. Bola rito ng Claret. Number 11, drop pass, number 8. Oh, steal. Pass to Ami. Ami. Floater, wala. Rebound. Fake. Backdoor pass to Ami. Ami. Floater, wala. Rebound by Lazaro. Lazaro, outlet pass. Number 14 and score. 36-43. Ayun na, si Castro. Pass to Ami. Ami, uy! That's a traveling violation. Nadalas lang si Idol. Bola rito ng Claret. Number 6. Steal. Time out. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 21 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. There we go. Jump shot, no good. Iba mo number 12. And out of bounds. Number 55. Ami for 3. Short. Rebound. Caus with a strong drive. No good. Rebound ng Claret. Ayun na. Uy. It's a lift-in violation. Bola rito ng De La Salle Zubel. Castro, back to number 22. Munti ka na magawan doon. Official score 38-43. Time out ulit. Time remaining 3 minutes and 1 second. And shoutout tayo dito, guys. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Ayan ating mga kuya from De La Salle Zubel. Next game na po sila for a semifinal kontra ulit. Then sa I'm not mistaken, Ateneo de Manila University. Ami 4-3. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Ami finding open man, pass to Castro. Castro setting on the play. Castro, it's a blocking foul. Number 14. To number 0. Wala. That's a foul. Gets a 3, no good. Number 14, no, short. And there's a foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 38 seconds. Basket by number 11. Basket. 43-40. Babala lamang sa tatlo. Come on, let's go guys. Paso Ami, using the glass, no good. Number 22. 45-40. Oh, steal by Ami. Ami, let's go Castro. Uy! Ayan. Remaining time, last 56 seconds. There we go, number 0. Oh, steal! Number 12. No good. Oh, good again. Number 22. Time out. Kamusta, brother? Last 35.4 seconds remaining. 45-40. Tumang pa rin tayo ng 5. Yun yung kailangan natin. Kaya sa Pasko meron tayo ng last 35 seconds. And up, Lazaro for 3. Wala. Rebound. Short. Ayan na. Bola natin. Ami, binigay. Number 55. All the way. And score. Ayan na. Nakaselyohan na nga ba? 47-40. Babawi sa 3 si Lazaro. Last 10 seconds. Uy. Let's go. Remaining time, last 9 seconds. 9 seconds na lamang po ang natitira. Castro, 9-8, and gets a foul. time remaining, 5.6 seconds remaining. Wala na nga Claret. Nasa corner. Jump shot, too strong. 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. And that's the end of our game. Nice game para sa Claret School. And congratulations to our winning team, ang very own De La Salle Zobel. Our final score, 47-40. 7-point lead para sa ating mga naka-white and green shirt, ang De La Salle Zobel. Congratulations! At magkita-kita po tayo for the next live. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Congrats!